So, welcome on our renovation. You see here we have an old building, but this needs to be totally refurbished. Therefore, let's get started work. Good, so now it's modernized. Now you see the Vivares Portal. You enter the portal and then you can start all kind of project details. So you set up the project here, then you can upload a floor plan for visualization mainly. After the floor plan, you see create rooms. That means with the templates we have pre-filled, you can create your rooms. Then you can add already the luminaires. The catalog is also integrated in the portal. And then for sure you can set all the settings what is needed for all the different products. Do the settings, prepare scenes, prepare groups, create also schedules. Then we offer you, after you do the pre-configuration, several documents, a bill of material. So with this you can directly order what you pre-configured in the system. An installation booklet where you can add the QR codes and also a letter of acceptance for the final approval of your project. So this is the project documentation. Then we are now on site, you ordered the luminaires and now you see each and every product has a QR code. With the QR code, you can assign those products that you install into the system, into the configuration. So with a smartphone, with a tablet, you can do the QR code scanning. Afterwards, you start installing, like you did before. So you see more and more luminaires are now already in our site. Also, now the furnitures, everything is coming in, and now the magic moment. We scan the controller, and by scanning we can start uploading the configuration. So everything we prepared up front now is transferred to the controller, and immediately the controller starts setting up the network, is transmitting the data to each and every luminaire, to each and every sensor, and immediately you see the lights are coming up, and now the configuration is done. The job is done so far. You see, perfectly lit. Easier than ever.